What a beautiful day. It is sunny. I am feeling the warmth of the sun, and also there are some clouds in the sky. Anyways, it is the most beautiful day. Hello, welcome to Learn English with Gaetana. If you don't know me, my name is Gaetana Berta, and the channel is Learn English with Gaetana. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to it right now. If you are not new to the channel, don't forget to smash the like button after watching my videos. In this video, we are going to practice saying calculations. So, are you ready? If you are ready, let's dive in. ዛሬ በዚች አጠር ባለች ቪዲዮ የምንመለከተው ምንድነው? ስሌቶችን በእንግሊዘኛ ማለት ነው የምንለማመደው። ስሌቶች መቼም ስሌቶችን የምታውቁ ይመስለኛል። But first of all, let me ask you a personal question. What is that personal question? On a scale of 1 to 10, how good are you at math? ከአንድ እስከ 10 ሂሳብ ላይ እንዴት ናችሁ? እስኪ ለራሳችሁ ማርክ ስጡት። 1 2 3 4 5 6 Let me know your answer in the comment section below, okay? Comment section ላይ በመጻፍ መልሳችሁን አሳውቁኝ. All right. First of all, how would you say this mathematical calculation? ይሄንን mathematical calculation እንዴት ብላችሁ ነው የምታነቡት? እስኪ pause the video and let me know your answer in the comment section below. If you don't know it, don't worry, because today I am here to help you practice saying mathematical calculations. Alright, so if you say 21 plus 3 is 24 or 21 plus 3 equals 24, you are correct. እንደምታዩት 21 ሲደመር 3 ስንት ነው? 24 ነው። 21 ሲደመር 3 እኩል ይሆናል 24 የሚለውን በእንግሊዘኛ በሉት ብትባሉ ምን ትላላችሁ? 21 plus 3 is 24, or you can say 21 plus 3 equals 24 ማለት ትችላላችሁ። So, how many choices do you have? You have two choices. The first one is 21 plus 3 is 24, or you can say 21 plus 3 equals 24. አንዳንዶች ምናልባት equals to ሲሉ ልሰሙ ትችላላችሁ. But most of the time native speakers say equals plus the result, okay? Equals ነው እንጂ የሚሉት the preposition tune አይጠቀሙም. The next one is, how would you say this mathematical calculation, or how would you say this calculation? Pause the video and let me know in the comment section below. If you say 21 minus 3 is 18, you are correct. In addition to that, you have another alternative. What is that? 21 minus 3 equals 18 ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው። 21 ሲቀነስ 3 18 ነው ማለት ከፈለጋችሁ ምን ትላላችሁ? 21 minus 3 is 18, or you can say 21 minus 3 equals 18 ብላችሁ ትናገራላችሁ. Okay. How about this one? How would you say this calculation? Good. If you say 21 multiplied by 3 is 63, you are correct. 21 ሲባዛ በ3 63 ነው ማለት ከፈለጋችሁ ምን ትላላችሁ? 21 multiplied by 3 is 63 ማለት ትችላላችሁ። In addition to that, you have another alternative. What is that? 21 multiplied by 3 equals 63 ማለት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። So ሁለት alternative ነገርኳችሁ ማለት ነው። Alright, the other one is this one. How would you say this calculation? 21 divided by 3 is 7. Or you can say 21 divided by 3 equals 7 ብላችሁ ትናገራላችሁ ማለት ነው። So, do you understand the two ways of saying mathematical calculations like of the above examples? Good. If you understand them, let's move to the next calculations. አሁን የቅድሙ ከገባችሁ በዛ መሰረት ቀጣዮቹን እንመለከታለን። Okay? I think those calculations are going to be very easy. የአሁኖቹ ደግሞ በጣም ቀላል ናቸው። Okay, the first one is this. How would you say this calculation? If you say 4 plus 2 is 6, you are correct. Or you can say 4 plus 2 equals 6 ካላችሁ ትክክል ነው። Alright, the next one is this. How would you say this calculation? If you say 4 minus 2 is 2 or 4 minus 2 equals 2, you are correct. How about this one? 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Or you can say 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. And finally, how would you say this calculation? 4 ሲካፈል ለሁለት 2 ነው ማለት ከፈለጋችሁ ወይንም 4 ሲካፈል ለሁለት እኩል ይሆናል 2 ማለት ከፈለጋችሁ በእንግሊዘኛ ምን ትላላችሁ? 4 divided by 2 is 2. Or you can say 4 divided by 2 equals 2 ብላችሁ ትናገራላችሁ ማለት ነው። So, have you got my idea? Good. If you have got my idea, let me ask you a question. That means now it is quiz time, okay? አሁን ደግሞ quiz time ነው። quiz time mathematical calculationዎቹን እጽፍላችኋለሁ እናንተ ማለት ነው። Do you understand me? So, I am going to write the calculations here and then you are going to practice saying them. But don't forget to let me know your answer in the comment section below. መልሶቻችሁን comment section ላይ ጻፉልኝ, okay? Good. A. How would you say this calculation? B. How would you say this calculation? C. How would you say this calculation? D. How would you say this calculation? Alright, that is all about saying calculations for today. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. But look guys, after watching my videos, don't forget to smash the like button. In addition to that, you can leave your comments on my videos. Until next time, keep practicing saying calculations in English language. Goodbye.